headlines. I'm Amina Ansari and I will be taking you the top headlines from the leading newspapers of the country. Let's start with the Times of India. I will be back. BJP posts 2019 Fadnavis video and then deletes it. The state unit of BJP on Friday evening posted a 2019 video on social media in which Devendra Fadnavis, the present deputy CM, who was then the CM, is saying, "I will return," which led to the opposition claiming that a change in the state leadership is on the cards. Next headline is from the Indian Express. Clash in Bihar town during religious procession. Internet suspended for 2 days. A clash broke out on Friday in Chhapra town of Bihar while a religious procession was being taken out, prompting the State Home Department to suspend internet services for a couple of days to prevent escalations. Let's move on to the headlines from the Hindu. Assam CM Himanta's Akbar remark. Congress BJP engaged in word of wars. The Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party have engaged in a word of wars over Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's Akbar remark made during a public speech in poll-bound Chhattisgarh. The Congress on October 26 moved to the Election Commission against Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma, alleging a poll code violation by the latter during the speech made in the poll-bound Chhattisgarh. Next, let's move on to the headlines in the Economic Times. Consumers take the exit from the entry level. The Indian consumer's swift climb up the luxury ladder is evident in the market share for the entry-level cars, television sets, home appliances and mobile phones over the past 3 years, underscoring the role easy financing has played in elevating purchasing power. Let's move on to the headlines from the Telegraph. To preach ideology among students, RSS holds shakhas in Delhi University affiliated college. The RSS held a shakha at the Delhi University affiliated Swami Shraddhanand College on October 20 to preach its ideology among students. A faculty member at another DU affiliated institution, Lakshmi Bai College, said the RSS had organized multiple shakhas on the campus since September. Finally, our last headline is from the Hindustan Times. Mahua Moitra says Hiranandani has her parliament login. Trinamool Lok Sabha MP Mahua Moitra in an interview with India Today on Friday explained that she gave her parliament login and password to Darshan Hiranandani, as there is no rule as to who can have the login and who cannot, and no MP puts the question themselves. The login and the passwords remain with their team. That's all for national headlines. To stay updated on the latest headlines from the leading newspapers, do join us on National Headlines from Monday to Saturday at 11:30 a.m.